Download and install Drozr and DrozrAgent.apk. In this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about how you can download Drozr and its APK file, and then how we can install Drozr inside Windows operating system. So first of all, we need to download both files, Drozr as well as Drozr.apk from internet. So open google.com and download these files. So here we are at google.com, and we need to download Drozr from here. So you can type here on Google, download Drozr 2.3.4 and hit enter. So download Drozr 2.3.4 and you can open the first link, and you need to find here 2.3.4. So come down where you will find, here it is 2.3.4. So here you need to download two files. First of all, Drozr-installer for Windows and this APK for your Android machine. So you can click on both of the files. Here you can see it is downloading, and Drozr APK. So both files are downloading inside our Windows operating system. So guys, we have downloaded Drozr installer 2.3.4, and now it's time to install it inside Windows operating system. So you need to just open the zip file, click on setup.exe, and let's install it inside Windows operating system. Yes, this is the installation wizard. Now you need to click on next. In C, it will create a folder Drozr. Click next. Inside C, it will automatically create a folder with the name Drozr, and that we need to connect with Android application, because in Android application we will install .apk file. So to connect with that APK file, we need Drozr inside Windows operating system. That's why we are installing this inside our Windows operating system. So Drozr setup is completed. Click finish, and I hope it has completed successfully. You can check inside your C drive. So click C, and you can see inside C Drozr folder has been created. So inside Drozr, it has the installation is successful. Now the next is we need to install Drozr.apk file inside this Android machine. So you can see this is the Android machine, but you won't see any Drozr app inside it. So we need a Drozr app inside it. So to do that, I need to click on users, ASTF, app data, local, and Android SDK. You can go to platform-tools, and here I need to take help of ADB to install that APK file. So you need to do one thing, just copy that file .apk file and paste here in this folder. Here it is, because I have already done it. So you can see here that Drozr.apk file I have already copied from downloads folder and paste here, right? And this is agent.apk. You can try anyone, right? So you can check the size. Drozr.apk 618 KB, 618 KB, both are same, so you can try anyone. So inside downloads, we have downloaded .apk file as well. So copy that and paste here in this folder in platform-tools. Now open command prompt, and first of all go to this path. So you can type here cd app data /local /android /sdk /platform-tools and hit enter. So we are inside platform-tools, and I need to install. So you can type adb space install space, and the name is Drozr agent.apk. So you can paste here and hit enter and just wait. So you can see here that we got the success message. It means this APK file has been installed inside Android application. So let me open that Android, and here you can see that Drozr has successfully installed inside it. You can see here, this is Drozr. Click here, open this, and you can see server is off, so I need to on this server. So click here and on this server. Alright, now we need to basically use the ports. So you can type here ADB space forward TCP 31415. 31415 is the port number. You can see here inside application 31415 space TCP 31415 and hit enter. So we have successfully forwarded the port numbers, and now we are ready to work with Drosser. You can see here the server is on here. Great. Drosser we have already installed inside Windows machine. So now it's time to start Drosser inside Windows. You can minimize everything, and now you can open a new command prompt. You can open C drive, and inside C you will find Drosser. So we need to go to this path. So you can type here cd space dot dot to come back, cd space dot dot. You can type dir here, and here you will find Drosser. So you can type here cd Drosser. You are inside Drosser. Now you can type here, you can see here that inside Drosser folder you will find a bat file, Windows batch file. So you need to type here Drosser .bat space console. We are trying to connect with Android application. Drosser.bat space console space connect, and hit enter and wait. So now it is starting Drosser inside the command prompt, and here you can see that we are inside the Drosser. So we have successfully installed Drosser inside Windows operating system, and we have successfully installed Drosser.bat file inside the Android application, and we have connected with our Windows machine to Android machine using Drosser here. So you can see here we are on the command prompt of Drosser, and we have completed the installation procedure of Drosser inside our Windows as well as Android application. So this is all about the installation procedure of Drosser, and I hope you have learned. In the next video I'm going to show you the commands available on Drosser command prompt. Thank you.